Haia, enw fi di Fion Phillips a dwi'n disgybl yn blwyddyn 12 yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Hi, I'm Fion Phillips and I'm a Year 12 student here at Dyffryn Conwy. Dwi'n astudio bioleg, cemeg, mathemateg a Saesneg. I study biology, chemistry, maths and English. Mae Miss Glenda Barlow a Miss Fiona Owen bob amser yn barod I helpu efo beth bynnag broblem sydd gennym ni. Da ni'n gallu mynd a siarad hefo nhw a bydden nhw byth yn barnu. Miss Fiona Owen and Miss Glenda Barlow are always happy to help. Whenever you've got a problem, you can go to them straight away and they will sort it as quickly as they can. They're always friendly and never judgmental.
Enw fi di Declan Jones, dwi'n blwyddyn 13 yma yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. My name is Declan Jones, I'm Year 13 here in Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Dwi'n astudio Daearyddiaeth trwy Cymraeg a Cemeg trwy Saesneg. I study geography through Welsh and chemistry in English. Nes I fynd I Ysgol Moelwyn yn Blaena o blwyddyn 7 I blwyddyn 11 a wedyn o fanna nes I penderfynu o fi eisiau dod I chweched dosbarth a ar ôl siarad I bobl fatha cyn disgyblion a mynd rownd y dosbarth mynd rownd yr ysgol ar noson agored nes I dewis dod I fama I astudio chweched dosbarth a ar ôl bod yma am blwyddyn a hanner rhan hydnod efo bod ni wedi cael cyfnod adra efo'r cyfnod clo dwi dal yn falch bod fi wedi gwneud y dewisiad I ddod I fama. I spent year 7 through to year 11 in Ysgol Moelwyn in Blaena Ffestiniog and when it came to the end of year 11 I decided that I wanted to study sixth form as my next step in my journey and after talking to previous pupils that have been here and pupils that have made the transition from Moelwyn to here I decided that this was Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy would be the next step for me and after being here for a year and a half, even including being at home for a while we were studying at home, I'm still glad that I decided to come here as the next step of my journey.
Enw fi di Georgia Green a dwi'n disgybl yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. I'm Georgia Green and I'm a sixth form pupil in Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Dwi'n astudio gwasanaethau cyhoeddus, busnes a chwaraeon. Pennaeth chweched dosbarth ydy Miss Glenda Barlow a mae hi yn helpu pawb hefo UCAS I mynd I prif ysgolion a mae pawb yn gallu mynd at hi am unrhyw fath o problemau sgen nhw ond mae hefyd gen I Miss Fiona Owen a mae hi fatha mam i'r chweched a mae pawb yn mynd at hi fel arfer efo unrhyw problemau stress neu rhywbeth maen nhw'n poeni am achos mae o hyd yna a mae mond yn y bloc chweched so mond fyny grisiau da ni yn mynd I. So within the sixth form we have Miss Glenda Barlow who is our head of year and she looks after everyone and helps with everyone's UCAS and just helps everyone in general and we have Fiona Owen who is like a mother to the whole of sixth form. We go to her for any problems, any stress, and she's brilliant. She's always there. Yeah. So within the school, it's been amazing, and I couldn't have wished for a better experience.
Hi, enw fi di Owen Dafydd Hughes. Dwi'n blwyddyn 13 yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Hi, my name is Owen Dafydd Hughes. I'm a Year 13 student in Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. O'n i'n gwybod erioed bod fi eisiau mynd I chweched dosbarth hyd yn oed ers cychwyn yn Ysgol Moelwyn. O'n i'n gwybod bod fi eisiau mynd ymlaen I fynd i'r prifysgol. Erbyn y diwedd o'n i wedi trafod efo lot o gyn-disgyblion o'r ysgol yma. Oedden nhw'n dweud bod nhw wedi cael llawer o brofiadau da gwerthu gael. As a sixth form here, we have lots of resources available to us. We have Chromebooks, we've got access to computers which are located in our block. These are our computers, so those are easily accessible for us.
So enw fi di Fion, dwi'n blwyddyn 13 a dwi yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. My name is Fion, I'm in Year 13 and I'm in Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. So I currently take Public Services, BTEC Sport and Drama. Dwi'n cymryd Public Services a dwi'n mynd ar cwrs link I Ysgol Brynelian. Mae'n diddorol oherwydd mae o yn dysgu ni pethau newydd amdan fatha yr ambulans ac yr heddlu a mae jyst yn diddorol cael mynd I mewn I ysgol gwahanol am ddynod. So I enjoy going to public services because it teaches us lots of different things, especially about like the police force and the ambulance. And it's just a good way to like go out from the school for a day and just enjoy somewhere else. So mae'r bloc yn hynod o ddefnyddiol. Mae gennym ni llawer o bethau fatha laptops a cyfrifiaduron ar gael, lle dafel i weithio, ac hefyd mae gennym ni soffas a cadeiriau yn mwyn ymlacio yn ein amser sbar hefyd. So in the block we have a number of resources. We have computers and laptops and quiet spaces to work in, and we also have sofas and chairs to relax as well. So dwi wedi cael nifer o profiadau yn bennaf trwy'r adran chwaraeon yn ymwedig i chwarae rygbi. Da ni wedi bod ar taith i Canada ac hefyd cyfleoedd i chwarae lawr yn Gaerdydd ac mae jyst yn anhygoel. So I've had a number of experiences through the school, more specifically through the PE department and with the sport of rugby. So we were fortunate enough to be able to travel to Canada and also play in the Principality Stadium down in Cardiff as well.